Hi, my name is John Stahl from Advanced Repair Technology. I'm here today to show you Glaze-Ease 601. It's an acrylic-based glazing putty that is meant to replace the DAP 33 and the linseed oil putties that come in a can. There's no kneading or thumbing. You basically just put this into a caulk gun, cut the top open to the desired opening, and what we're going to demonstrate is we're going to glaze a new sash using the Glaze-Ease product. First thing we want to do is to put a back bead. The purpose of a back bead is to adhere the glass to the sash. We want to put a nice liberal back bead so that when we set the glass in place, we get what's called an ooze, or a method where the Glaze-Ease will actually ooze out on the back side a little bit, confirming that you've gotten good adhesion. So we've already fit the glass, dry fit it once before, so we know that the glass fits in nice and snug. So now we just push down on the glass so that we get an ooze. You can see the Glaze-Ease oozing out on the back side. So that's assuring that we're getting 100% adhesion of the material. Now in this case we're also going to use glazing points. You can use the Fletcher driver like this, or you could also just use the points that you buy and put in with a putty knife. So we go with the Fletcher driver, shoot in a couple points. The Glaze-Ease 601 adheres so well to the glass that unless you're expecting a large wind load, it's not necessary to use the point. Now we simply go take the Glaze-Ease again, and we want to put a front bead on. You can use any standard caulk gun. One of the big questions we're asked is, how does this compare to regular caulking? Most regular caulking tends to pull and drag. This is more like a whipped cream consistency material, and it's shapeable while it's wet into your final cure. We're going to use our Glaze-Ease applicator tool. The benefit of this tool is this acts as a squeegee as well as giving you a traditional look. You can certainly use a standard putty knife, glazer's knife as well. The benefit of this is it's quicker, plus it saves and it pulls away any excess, so you can collect the excess and use it on your next sash. So what we do is we start smooth side down in the far upper corner, and we pull down towards the body. You can see it's leaving just a little bit of excess, but most of that can then be scraped off very easily in about 10 minutes with a standard razor knife. We need a little extra here. One thing to consider is when you get to the corner, you want to find the inside corner and then lift out, and then that will give you a traditional look. Again, we're going to lift it up, find the corner, grab any excess off the knife, and then we're going to clean this corner up a little bit so we get a nice clean look. We can also grab any excess that's spilled onto the face of the sash. And now the only thing that's left for us to do is the far one, and we're completed on this particular window pane. So this material has a lot of extra benefits as opposed to traditional putties. You're going to have a much quicker installation, a much cleaner installation, a better adhesive strength, and quick dry time. This material will be able to be painted in normal conditions in about 2 hours. So that saves a huge amount of time. We showed you how to do a new sash, but this can also be used for spot repair on old sash. Thank you for taking a look at Glaze-Ease 601.